ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 78 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3 ಅಥ ವಿದರ್ಭಸುತಾಂ ಖಲು ರುಕ್ಮಿಣೀಂ ಪ್ರಣಯಿನೀಂ ತ್ವಯಿ ದೇವ ಸಹೋದರಃ ಸ್ವಯಮದಿತ್ಸತ ಚೇದಿಮಹಿ ಭುಜೇ ಸ್ವತಮಸಾ ತಮಸಾಧುಮುಪಾಶ್ರಯನ್. Word by word meaning. Hey Deva, O Lord. Atha, then. Vidarbha Sutam, the daughter of the king of Vidarbha. Tvayi Khalu, with thee indeed. Pranayineem, who was in love. Rukmineem, Rukmini. Sahodaraha, her brother Rukmi. Chedimahi Bhuje, to the Chedi king Sishupala. Svatamasa, because of his tamoguna, ignorance. Asadhum tam, him Shishupala, who was wicked. Upashrayan, joined with, becoming friendly with. Swayam, his own, without consulting even his father. Aditsata, decided to give in marriage. Full meaning. At that time, Rukmi, the eldest son of Vidarbha, decided on his own to give his sister Rukmini in marriage to the wicked king of Chedi, Shishupala, even though he knew that Rukmini was intent on marrying thee. This was because Rukmi, who was preponderantly tamasic in nature, had become friendly with that wicked Shishupala. Om Tat Sat.